everyone, in today's video I will show you how to add templates in Notion. First open Notion and go to the page where you want the template. Now click on the templates at the bottom and then this will open Notion's template gallery. You will find categories like personal, work, design and education. So pick any you like, and for example I'm choosing this, and go and click on the add icon and select the place you want. So I am adding to my workplace and the template is added successfully, as we can see here, the expense tracker. Now you can edit, move or duplicate it just like any other Notion page. You can also download free templates from the web and import them using share links. And that's it, how easily it add template in Notion. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.